Hello guys, I am Miku and 2021. So glad we are alive here. I hope this year will be better for all of us, for everybody, because last year 2020 is breaking me down in all the points, and I'm sorry for all the guys who was asking me what you did, what cocktail you did in Christmas, what cocktail you did in New Year's, and so. Really, this is my cocktail what I did first time. This is the cocktail what I will make in this year, but it's not the first time I make it, because I make it on the Christmas and trying to make some cocktails on the Christmas, and was nice. But really guys, I don't have the camera, don't have a phone, so I can make a decent recording video for you. Now this is what I will do. And red honey pomelo, guys. Do you remember the red blood orange? I make it. That was a nice video. I will leave it down to the description, and also I will leave it in the end of this video if the YouTube will leave me, because really I even don't know how to speak in English anymore. I speak my shit like crap. Okay, this is the red honey pomelo cocktail I will do. I hope it's red. What can I say? You already see it. I'm not longer in that nice and great studio. I have it in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. So sad, yes, I don't have too much money and too much time to stay there. All the time was expensive, so I need to move forward. This is the life, guys. This is the pandemic. What can I say? Destroy our asses. I even remember, so nice. I will leave also to you, so have a watch of what studio I have it there, and after that we start with this cocktail. I just wanted you to see this place, how it looks like, this new studio. We try to make it, and I will just give you a tour. It's around 7:30 or more or less that PM. That means the sun is going down. Still here is good light. I will show you immediately why it's good light. The studio that I have it also before. This is why it's a good light. If you can see, we have here a big one, and here another big one, the balcony size, where it's coming the light when it will be sun outside. It will be great here. A lot of nice light. I still don't have it all the equipment with me, and I was trying to put here the camera before, so you can see it, what I will preparing around here. Already we have here some bottles. I will open it in a second, no, in a minute maybe. Okay, what I want to show you is a nice one. This chair looks nice on the bar, and we will have some guests here. We have some people who is coming here around with us to make the video and to make the cocktails and whatever. We will do it here around this studio, and it will be great over here. And also we can make another video starting from here, if I will put here the camera, and you will have this nice table where you can see it, drinking, laughing, and doing a lot of stuff. This is a great studio, guys, I'm telling you. Also, I can put the camera around here and you can see it. I have a couch and a nice place where you can have some friends around, and you can make a video, and you can test some drinks and some new stuff around here. So this is how it looks. It's not so big. I still missing a lot of equipment to be ready. I still missing the bar. Yeah, was a nice studio. What can I say? Now this is what I have. I try to do the video here. Let's start to cut this pomelo and see if it's red inside. Really, I really wanted to see, because I buy it this red honey pomelo. I buy it 2 or 3 times. One was red, one was pink, one was already smelled very nice, and I hope I find it again, that very blood one, like the blood, you know, the color of the blood. No, it's a pink one. Anyway, it's a red one. For my skin, I will try to have everything from this inside and start this cocktail. Anyway, the smell is amazing, the taste it's amazing, and this is what I wanted. I want the taste of the pomelo again. Okay, some, no, won't go there. Some of this pomelo have here. Okay, let me take it out. Just what I needed. Very fast, very easy. Anyway, you don't need to cut it too much, to spend too much time. You need to have just some juices from inside of him. So what you need to have it is this part, who I will put it inside of the Burdon glass, just to take outside from this pomelo the taste of the pomelo. And it's very good pomelo for the liver, if you know it. Also the people who like it. Wow, it smells incredible. I like the smell of the pomelo. I love it. Even I eat it time by time, just like this. But I think I put it already too much, and it's enough, because I will put it also something else. Let me make some cleaning here. Sorry for the arrangement here. I don't have it that, what can I say, that studio what I have it before, so I do what I can for you guys, just to have the video and enjoy it, the taste of this cocktail. Oh yeah, the shaker. I don't need a shaker for this kind of cocktail. Now here inside I will try. Look guys, another trick I will say to you, it's I using the limes, and I don't leave the limes. This one I use it because it's much juiceless, not this little one green. Anyway, even this one limes, not too big, not too small. Even this one I leave it. I think this one is better, it's more juiceless. I leave it around maybe 2-3 days outside of my balcony, maybe a week, so it became much tasty, much juiceless. And let's put it inside. Let me show you some, like always. Wrapping it here and a little bit up to the middle. Here we go. If you don't have this, how can I say, spring, you can just take outside the juice. Don't forget, if you have this one, make it also here, like this. You see how much it's still here? A lot. Okay. Now what I will use it again here, it's honey. And if you have honey, use honey. I have royal jelly. The royal jelly, who knows, is that food for the queen of the beans. The queen eat this one, royal jelly. It's much tasty, it's much nice, not so sweet like the honey you use normally. And how can I say, it's very good for your body. How can I say, for increase your immunity. Don't find the words, but anyway, just put some slashes here around. Maybe I put 20 grams. Don't forget, this is not milliliters, this is grams, because the honey, it's in kilograms and grams, in libras, in pounds, in, you know what I mean. Now I have here very nice Whitley Neill vodka
blood orange vodka. The blood orange vodka from Whitley Neill. It's amazing. It's amazing. Also, the Queen's gin for from Whitley Neill. But this is another story, another video. Let's go on. You can use what vodka do you want. The blood orange vodka is nice. The blood orange cocktail, what I make it with the blood orange, basically the blood orange. I will leave it down to the description, and I will leave it also here if the YouTube leave me, like I said before. And I will put here around 45 milliliters an ounce here. It's enough. Half. It's enough. I think it's enough here. Maybe a little bit more, just for luck, you know, just for the luck. Now let's take outside this taste from the red pomelo, who is pink this time. I don't know why. Time by time I find it red, and it is red because I can leave it down to the description, or I can leave it in the end of this video. The photo I make it is really red honey pomelo. But the idea is to take outside from the pomelo the juiceless and everything like this, and it's here like a cream. And if you think it, I will put it like this inside of the glass, and I will use it. I use it a normal glass. I use it a whiskey glass. I don't know, but this is what I will use it right now. Let's put inside of the glass right now this. Ice. Don't tell me balls. 2 balls of ice. I use a sphere already. Never mind. You put some ice there. I put it just 2, and it's already nice. This one. Double straining. That means I will use also this little. I hope it's enough, but maybe it was better to have a bigger one. But let's see if it's okay. Okay, I think it's enough. This is what I wanted to be a half of the glass, and it is a half of the glass here. Okay. Now what I will do much more, I will put a splash of Sprite. If you can find the 0 sugar Sprite or free Sprite, will be okay. Just put a smash here. Don't try to fill the glass. Maybe you want to make a garnish with I don't know, some parts of the pomelo. So this is smell amazing. Don't worry, I'm clean. Maybe a half of the lime, just to be like more flavor and more citricals inside. And this is our cocktails. This is our cocktails. This is how it looks. Time by time is there, time by time is this. But red honey pomelo, and believe me, I buy it a lot, not just one. It's very good and very nice. I buy it 3. Okay, guys, let's taste this one and see how is it. Smell amazing. Oh, wow. Oh, I love the taste of the pomelo. I don't know you guys if you like it or not, but the normal pomelo, it's a little bit citricals and I don't know how to explain myself. The red honey pomelo, it's sweet, and pomelo, that taste of pomelo with a little bit of sweetness. And imagine, of course, the sweetness is coming from the honey, but this combination, it's amazing. Yeah, I cannot stop myself. I will drink maybe one or two, and even editing this new video, I will drink another one. Yeah, regarding about the video, guys, a lot of you asking me how I edited it. I don't edit it at all. I mean, just I put some music in the background, and that's it. I don't cut, and I don't have the time and all the requirements like to okay, action, make another one, cut. No, it's not good. Take another one. No, this is everything I recording from the beginning to the end. And that's it. This is the trick. I don't start in too much time because I cannot cut this one 6 times. Time by time we are open bottles like unboxing or open bottles in the video. So you can open it again and again and again. No, we open it one time and that's it. Wow, very nice. Like always. You know, I will take the camera and I will bring it a little bit close so you can see the video, guys. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe if you like this type of the videos, and I'm trying to improve all the time. Thank you for all the people who already subscribed, and I see around 400. And they coming from United States, Canada, Australia, and so and so. Thank you guys a lot. It means a lot for me, and a lot of help from your side to be with me in this video. So let's show you this one from close. Until my next video, stay cool. Come on, let's see this one. White Neill blood orange vodka hourglass. Smell very nice of the pomelo. This is the red honey pomelo Sprite, and like I say, I use it royal jelly honey. This was my video, guys. Thank you for watching this. Until my next video, stay cool. Bye bye. Nu vă trebuie un shaker ca să faceți chestia asta. Nu vă trebuie un shaker ca să faceți chestia asta. Nu vă trebuie un shaker. Nu vă trebuie un shaker ca să faceți chestia asta. Nu vă trebuie un